Hey there, I'm Nitin and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to create this cool animated UI button in Unity. So let's get started. So the first thing you will have to do is download a image. The link is given in the description. After that, select it and set the compression to none, filter mode to point no filter, and texture type to sprite 2D. And also set the sprite mode to multiple and hit apply. After that, open sprite editor, select slice, and again select slice, and it will just slice this two images, and don't forget to apply this, and then just close it. Now you have two images. Now let's create the button. So right click in the hierarchy, select UI and select button. After that, expand this image component and drag this image here and select set native size. After that, I'm going to set its width and height to 250 by 250. Then right click on the button and create a image, drag it above the text and drag this border sprite here and select set native size. Then I'm going to set its width to 298 by 298 and also make it a little bit darker. Now let's create animations for the button. So set the button's transition to animation, set the navigation to none, and select auto generate animation. This will automatically generate the animations and also the transitions, also set up the transitions. Now select the image, going to highlight it, and then set it width and height to 350 by 350. Then go here and set its width to 425 by 425. After that, go here and set its width to 335 by 335, and on the frame 40 set its width again to 350 by 350. Now if you hit play, you can see. Now let's make the pressed animation. So now again set its here set its width to 350 by 350, and on frame number 10 set its width and height to 335 by 335, and frame number 20 again 350 by 350. Now you can see. Let's make the animations for the button's image. So select the button and on frame number 0 set set its on frame number 10 set its width and height to 235 by 235, and on frame number 20 set its width and height to 250 by 250. Now you can see. So let's hit play and see how it is looking. So let's hover over it. You can see the animation loops. So to solve this problem, expand this animator and select the highlighted and just disable loop time. Now if you hit play, so you can see it just runs only one time, but the animations are really slow. So let's change this. So to change this, just click on the animator and select the transition, expand the settings and set the transition duration to 0.15. Now copy this, paste it for the highlighted, pressed, selected, and or finally disabled. Now if we hit play, we hover over it, you can see it is really fast. and when we place it, so so I also just edited the text a little bit. So I think it is pretty much for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.